I'm going to make a crispy tortilla pizza using these low-carb tortillas. These are the larger tortillas. Basically, I'm going to cook it on my stovetop, flipping it over and over until it's very stiff. Get all the moisture out. This looks pretty good. I have my burner on medium. You just have to be careful not to burn it. See how it's pretty stiff now? If you're using pepperoni, which makes a lot of grease, I would microwave it for 30 seconds before putting it on the pizza. Add your favorite pizza sauce. This is 4 net carbs for a 1/4 cup. I'm only going to use 2 or 3 tablespoons. So we've topped our tortilla with 2 heaping tablespoons of pizza sauce, pepperoni slices, diced ham, black olives, mozzarella cheese, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. So I have a Toshiba combination microwave, air fryer, so forth. It's not that hot, so I'm going to air fry it at 425 and about 7 minutes. So you'll really have to adjust the time based on your own oven. Here's our finished pizza. I'm going to cut it. And it looks pretty nice. You can pick it up, it doesn't flop over, and there's not grease running down your arm. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.